It's Humphrey-Hawkins Day. What does that mean? What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Tuesday, June the 22nd. And now the days start getting shorter, and I don't know, maybe we'll start getting shorter the markets. Who knows? In the meantime, today is Humphrey-Hawkins, actually today and tomorrow. And if you don't know what that is where Chair Powell will testify before the House and the Senate over the next couple of days. And they will ask him all kinds of questions. And of course, the tea leaves reader will be listening for every word that he says. And you might see some market reactions, some moves off of the information that he lets out there. Who knows? We'll see. In the meantime, this update will be brought to you by our friends at Tradier Brokerage. And again, as I always tell you, we have many brokers, but our preference for equities and options is Tradier, and there's very simple reasons. $10 a month is the biggest. That saves me 5 figures a month. And of course, we've got their APIs, which allows us to automate if you choose. And of course, those options are up to you. They are available. They are part of your membership. There is no extra cost from neither us or Tradier to automate our equity portfolios. But again, it's up to you. But again, $10 a month is the key either way. But as we look at the markets, you got kind of a mixed bag at the moment. The Dow down 38, the NASDAQ up 35, the S&P up 3, and the Russell down 127. It's, again, it's this whippy kind of, volatile trade without any real volatility, but volatile trade, because you've got thin volume. And of course, now every word that Powell says, and I'm not sure, but I'm assuming his statement may have been released already. He's got to give a opening statement that is in writing before it goes out. So we'll see what happens from there. In the meantime, the dollar is higher, which we're long, and not that much of a surprise. Crude higher again. Surprise! Crooks from OPEC in charge. How can oil not be going higher? The gold and silver are lower, with platinum slightly higher. Now we are short gold and silver. We would be short platinum. However, again, we don't trade it any longer because of the lack of liquidity for our members. The bonds and notes are lower. They have come back nicely from much lower, but they're still lower on the day. We're still long. Nat gas is higher, and we are long. Copper is higher, and we are short. And it's been a very whippy, choppy trade when you look at it in the bigger picture. As we look into the grain markets, and you have another pretty wild day in grains, lower overnight. And right now, corn and beans are higher, and we're still short, and wheat is lower, and we're still short that as well. In the meats, you've got cattle having a nice little move to the upside, with hogs also higher. And again, we are short hogs and long cattle, but if you had listened and we said that there would be a pretty sharp rally in the hog market based on the amount of selling that we've been watching. Again, this is one thing you got to remember, that some markets are going to have some reaction, just like we thought, and on Sunday when we did Bubba's Bottom Line, we said, expect a rally in the markets because it's just the way they've been selling. There's going to be some sort of a bounce, and now we'll see what the real action is going to be. In the softs, you've got cotton is slightly higher, and we're long, and coffee, sugar, cocoa, and OJ are all slightly lower, and we're short. So, again, at the end of the day, it is what it is, and we'll continue just to play the algorithms and play the patterns. And, again, day trading is one thing, but we're using our long-term models to trade, and they could trade last days, weeks, or months. And that's what we're going to continue to do. That is what works successfully. And if done properly, it keeps you in the game. And that's something that you should always be focused on, is being in the game with capital to play so that you can survive all markets. In the meantime, don't forget our other brokerage partner, which is, of course, Capital Trading Group, or CTG. And when we talk about CTG, listen, they have great customer service. They take care of our members, okay? And they are our preferred broker. Now, we have other futures and equity and commodities brokers, but for our letter of direction, they're the only ones we've authorized to do letter of direction trading. and they got great service. Plus, they've got some great managed portfolios. Plus, they also trade my portfolios. So I think that should be a pretty good endorsement for them. They do a great job. And if you want more information, go to info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. That's info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. In the meantime, our friends and partners at Family Farms, look, they have the same interest we do to help farmers take care of their money. It's that simple. Okay, they're great at it and do a good job. And of course, we're happy to be associated with them and can't wait for the July event where we get to see everybody and speak in front of the group. And Andy Hecht in our commodity report, Technomental. If you're trading commodities and not using this report, shame on you. You can get it at BubbaTrading.com. Call Technomental in our high school program at Patreon.com/Bubba Trading. That's Patreon.com/Bubba Trading. In the meantime, have a great day, everybody. We'll see you back here again tomorrow with another Bubba's Daily Update. Everybody be careful, be patient, and be disciplined. We'll see you tomorrow, everybody.